Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.1825 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $0.172 $1.232. The earlier day close $1.174. The change was plus 0.51 plus 434%. Backwards rate US to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 167 coins. Excessive cost 5,000, while low 167. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 45 or 24. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 762. Change for June 3%. US to Doge expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 762 coins. Excessive cost 762, while low 4,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,468. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 4348. Change for July 7%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 4,348 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,348, while low 3,448. The found the middle value of cost 3,9062. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 3,704. Change for August 14.8%. US to Doge expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 3,704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 3,125. The found the middle value of cost 3,467. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 3,333. Change for September 10%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at 3,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,571, while low 3,125. The found the middle value of cost 3,341. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 3,333, change for October 0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 3,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,4048, while low 3,030. The found the middle value of cost 3,259. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 3,226, change for November 3.2%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for December 2024. To start with cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,564. The found the middle value of cost 2.49. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,778, change for December 13.9%. US to Doge expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 2,778 coins. Excessive cost 2.41, while low 2,500. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,731. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,703, change for January 2.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 2,703 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,857, while low 2,439. The found the middle value of cost 2,658. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,632, change for February 2.6%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 2,632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,778, while low 2,381. The found the middle value of cost 2,589. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,564, change for spring 2.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at 2,564 coins. Excessive cost 2,778, while low 2,381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,572. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2,564, change for April 0%. US to Doge expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 2,564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,703, while low 2,326. The found the middle value of cost 2,5023. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,500, change for May 2.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 2,500 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,500, while low 2 of 41. The found the middle value of cost 2,4. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,174, change for June 13%. US to Doge expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 2,174 coins. Excessive cost 2,222, while low 1,961. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,110. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,83, change for July 4.2%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 2.83 coins. Excessive cost 2,703, while low 2,083. The found the middle value of cost 2,342. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,500, change for August 20%. US to Doge expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 2,500 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,500, while low 2 of 41. The found the middle value of cost 2,304. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,174, change for September 13%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 2,174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,326, while low 2 of 41. The found the middle value of cost 2,179. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,174, change for October 0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2,174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,632, while low 2,174. The found the middle value of cost 2,355. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,439, change for November 12.2%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 2,439 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,564, while low 2,222. The found the middle value of cost 2,402. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,381, change for December 2.4%. US to Doge expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at 2,381 coins. Excessive cost 3,030, while low 2,381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,662. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2,857, change for January 20%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for February 2026. Before all else, cost at 2,857 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 2,857. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,217. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,4048, change for February 27%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 3,448 coins.